Hey guys, it's a new day and that means it's time for a new look with me, Shelby. So if you don't know already, for the next 30 days, I am only using these two eyeshadow palettes while doing my makeup on my eyes. I picked these up at Walmart. It's the Rimmel London Magnifies. I got the Jewel Rocks edition and the Electric Violet edition. This is going to be my 5th look with these eyeshadow palettes. I kind of have an idea of what I want to do for this one. See, each video and each day that I do my makeup, I'm literally just sitting down and looking at it and thinking, oh, okay, maybe I'll do that. I don't know what I'm doing until I actually sit down. But today I am going to use the Electric Violet edition, and I think I'm going to use, I was looking at it earlier and now I'm like, what were you going to use? Be better to open it. Let's see. Okay, yeah. So I think I'm going to use this color here, these two right here. A little bit of black might get put in. I'm not like 100% yet. We're winging it, okay? So a little bit of black, and I might do this color here. Yeah, I think I might do this color here. Remember, those are the colors, and now I'm just going to start getting my face ready. I think I'm going to put on my primer first. So this is the Kat Von D Lock-It Featherweight Primer plus base. And I'm going to put it on my face now. Alright. Okay, now that I got my primer on, I am going to put my liquid foundation on. And yesterday I found out that this is pretty much empty. And if you watch yesterday's video, you'll see I'm just like, oh, now. Maybe I just didn't prime it enough yesterday. Something happened, because yesterday I was like squirt, 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 and nothing, and had to unscrew it and rub it all on my hand. And still though, I think that bothers me if that's not on the right way. I think that I'm almost out of this, so once it is like completely out, I think I'm gonna try a different foundation, because I've been using this one for a while now, and I feel like maybe I need to try something different, just see what else is out there. This broken ass beauty blender. Okay, it's broke. Listen, we ain't working with the best tools, okay? The best brushes, the best one. We're working with what we got. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, that is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna work with what I've got. Okay. So I'm gonna apply this foundation now. Okay, so I am now going to apply some of this CoverGirl True Blend pressed powder on my face. So now I'm going to move on to this Maybelline Master Contour by Face Studio. Some of these makeups just sound so official. I'm going to start with this dark shade right here and apply it right here. Okay. Don't forget to blend, blend, blend. I'm gonna hit under here just a little bit, just to eliminate some of this neck fat. I don't know if that really works, but in my head, I totally feel like it does. Okay. So now I am actually going to use a little bit of the Kat Von D Shade Light palette. Just a little bit of this color because I feel like it on my face. Okay, so I'm going to put on a little bit of this Physicians formula. It's a light bronzer and I like to use it just as my blush, you know. I'm gonna do that. Okay, so I like to go ahead and apply my lip and then do my eyeshadow. That's just what I do. I don't care if there's any particular order you're supposed to do your makeup in. I'm gonna put my lip on now. CoverGirl's lip stains. I wear them all the time. I have numerous different colors, but this is 542. I don't remember the exact name of the color. It might have been like a plum or something. It was something. But I really love this shade of the lip stain. And I really want to try some more of their lip stains. So here in the future, maybe after these 30 days, the 30 looks of the Rimmel London eyeshadow palettes, maybe for so many days I'll try out some of CoverGirl's different lip stains. I haven't really decided exactly what I want to do after this, but I definitely want to continue to try like drugstore beauty makeup. It's usually just really affordable for everybody, including myself. It's a fun way to try new things and also to share it with everybody else. I can give you my opinion on it at the end, what I think about the product. So just stay tuned and hopefully I'll have many different videos to come. On top of the CoverGirl lip stain, I've been using the Victoria's Secret Beauty Brush Flavored Gloss. It just gives it a really nice glossy look, and it's flavored. So when you lick your lips, because you know you're going to, it actually tastes really good. This is like, it's like a bubblegum like flavor or something. I don't know, but I like it. Alright guys, I'm going to jump into the eyeshadow now, and again, I'm going to be using this color here for my upper lid. I'm going to use this color here. No, not this color, sorry. I'm going to use this color right here for like the corner of the eye. and then probably midway this purple shade, and then towards the end this darker purple shade. So I'm going for basically a purple look. I thought that it'd be fun to try that. It's possible that I might use a little bit of the black towards the ends, but I'm not for sure yet, so we will just see. I'm gonna use the brush that has came with the palette. I think I'm gonna do that with most of the products that I review, just so I can give an honest review on the whole entire product, including the application tool. I'm gonna start with my upper lid now with this shade. I'm going to go to the inside corners now on both sides with this shade. Going to add in some of this purple now, about midway through the eye on both sides. I think I'm gonna go in now with this darker color, maybe about here, but go down and up with it a little bit. I think that's what I'm thinking of doing. We'll see how that goes. Yeah, I'm just gonna play around with this for a minute and see where it goes. Nobody knows. Okay, so I've been playing around with this for a minute and I'm pretty happy with how this looks. I am gonna put a little more light color in, but it kind of reminds me of like Ursula from like The Little Mermaid. I don't know. Just like the purple and the black and the lighter. I don't know. It's just like very just Ursula colors. I have like a Disney villain dress. I should put it on. Alright, I'm going to move on to my eyeliner now and then mascara, and after that we'll be wrapping it all up. Last but not least, the mascara. Hey guys, so this wraps up today's video. Today again I used the Rimmel London Magnifies, the Electric Violet edition. I really love the look that I created today. It reminds me a lot of Ursula, the purple, black, kind of blue tone. So yeah, I'm really excited. If you like this video, then hit the thumbs up, like the video. And if you want to see more of my content, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. So until next time, guys, here is a new look number 5.